Controversy over transgender athletes has lingered for years, dividing lawmakers, parents, and athletes alike. Wednesday, the Department of Justice took the next step to settle this in court, filing a lawsuit against California.
Today, the United States Department of Justice filed suit against California for allowing boys to participate in girls' high school sports,
claiming California is violating Title IX, a law that prohibits sex-based discrimination in any school or program that receives federal funding. The DOJ argues the state's policies directly goes against these protections. Attorney General Pam Bondi took to social media to announce the lawsuit.
We've made it very clear, only women in women's sports under Title IX. No boys will be allowed in women's locker rooms, no longer. We have sued Maine. We're in litigation with Minnesota. We've sent multiple letters, and if you do not comply, you're next.
Throughout this debate, California and the California Interscholastic Federation have stood by their stance, citing Assembly Bill 1266. The law allows transgender students in K-12 public schools the right to fully engage in activities, facilities, and programs that align with their gender identity. Fresno attorney Roger Bonactar breaks down what this legal battle could mean for the future of sports, and not just in California.
This lawsuit exists because in California it was decided by the governor and the state legislature that this is something they wanted to affirmatively undertake, meaning this is something that they took up and decided to set a rule for. There isn't a mandate under any federal rule that gender identity be incorporated in this way. This is something unique to California and certain other states.
Bonactar says this legal battle could bring changes nationwide if DOJ wins.
If DOJ prevails in this action, then this finding and this holding would be effective against other states, in other states. So this will be a watershed moment for gender policies across our country, because Title IX affects every one of the 50 states, not just California. Every state is mandated to comply with it if they want those federal benefits. If they want to give up the benefits, they can operate how they want. It's the power of the purse strings.
If DOJ does not win,
if it doesn't succeed, then other states that might actually be looking at adopting similar policies will look at it and say, if it was good for California, it's good for us. So this is a pretty important moment as it relates to school sports and federal funding in general for schools.
Hi, I'm Monty Torres with Fox 26 News on YouTube. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel, where we have loads of great content for you to choose from. And while you're here, why not click on the subscribe button right here? That way you can stay in touch with all the latest breaking news, everything news related within the Central Valley. And thank you for watching.